up on me. Copiado, carnal. Weapons out, vaqueros.
Muévanse.
Where are they holding Hassan?
White two-story building back of town. Todos los Víctors estén listos. 3, 2, 1. ¡Entra, entra! Despejado, avanza.
Civilians.
Gone. Cartel took over. It's a hideout now.
¡Núñez no dijo nada! ¡Llámalo!
Move.
¡Necesitamos a sus hombres!
¡Contacto! ¡Todos los Víctors, avancen!
Todos están en movimiento.
¡Agárrese la madre!
¡Maldición! ¡Perdimos a un hombre!
Clear.
Secure this house, then we go for Hassan. Cartel will move him fast. Then we move faster. Heads up. They're ready.
¡Ya vienen!
Take the door.
¡Muere, hijo de la...
Right side. Hassan could be anywhere. Good shots, hermano.
No sign of Hassan.
Not yet.
Clear. What happened to the families here?
The cartel brings violence, so they leave. Get ready to move. Stand by. Víctor 2, este es 1-1. Desplega humo. Estamos mudando al exterior.
Copiado. Lanzando granada de humo.
Where's your family, Alejandro?
I keep that a secret, hermano. Protect them.
We have concealment.
Let's move. On me, soap. This is where they were hiding Hassan. Expect resistance. Todos los equipos listos para contención. Preparen para abrir brecha. Avanza, avanza.
Despejado. No Hassan. Second deck. Sí, vamos. Let's move upstairs and get Hassan.
If Hassan's here, he's in this room.
Move in.
Back fire!
Secure the room. I'll cover.
Clear. No Hassan.
Todos los Víctors. El edificio blanco está seguro. Negativo con Hassan.
Entendido.
They must have moved them.
When?
Recently.
Quds Force, that's his flag.
He was here.
Alejandro's intel was good.
Comandante, el ejército está aquí.
A la verga.
What is it?
The army.
We got reinforcements.
Negative. 03, retrocedan ya.
Entendido.
What are we doing?
Covering my men. Once they're clear, fall back.
You want us to engage the fucking Mexican army?
No, Colonel. These troops are paid by the cartel. They're helping the cartel protect Hassan. Hold your fire. We'll dig in until my men are clear.
Multiple vehicles, troop transports, light armor.
Hold fire. Let them get close. Weapons free! They're armored! Target the helmet! Weak! They're armored! Target the helmets! They're weak! They're using shields! Use grenades! Enemy down! Vámonos en el refugio. Okay, my men are clear.
Then we need to move!
Army's right behind us! Copiado. Avanzando.
Down the hill. We'll lose them in the mountains. Fan out and stay close.
Antigua ruta.
Straight to the bridge. Rodriguez!
Army's on us!
Cover! Cover! Get your cover and serve fire.
¿Dónde el chaleco? Estoy bien.
Sanchez is down!
Engaging!
Are we clear?
For now, we gotta move. Go!
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army.
We can't hold off an army. We need extraction.
Rodriguez, pide la extracción.
Sí, comandante.
All guns, hold here. Take cover.
Sí, coronel.
Go, go. Get behind the rock. Fire, get way back. Line him up. Rodriguez, get comes up.
Víctor 1. Solicito extracción inmediata en el puente de Río de las Almas. ¿Me copian?
We clear? For now, there'll be more. Vamos.
¿Alguna noticia de Rodolfo?
No, perdimos comunicación.
Puta. Let's keep it moving. Through here. The mountains blocking comms.
You man get the call out?
Let's hope so.
What's the plan?
There's a bridge at the river. Contact RPG! Army on the ridgeline! Frag out! Anyone hit?
Negative.
Good to go!
Copy. On me. We'll have to jump here.
Can we make that?
Hasta la muerte, hermano. Pinche cabrones aren't far behind.
Where to, Alejandro?
Soap, push forward. Rodriguez, keep working the radio. Rest of you watch for snipers. Use that ledge. There will be a way up the mountain.
Got anything?
They're out there, believe me. Rodriguez, ¿alguna señal de radio?
Negativo.
We need to get to the river.
Found it!
Escucha. Hear that?
Incoming, Halley.
See, get to a firing position. Take them by surprise.
Which way to the bridge?
Straight ahead, past the hill. They'll try to cut us off.
We'll have to go through them.
Weapons free! Secondary! Clear!
Clear.
Up the hill. The bridge isn't far. Enemy position. Shooters out here. Watch your backs.
Top of the hill, Sergeant. We're moving.
There's the bridge.
No visual on extraction.
Comms didn't get through. Hijo de puta.
We'll radio when we're down there. This way. Jump down, Sergeant.
What's your footing here?
afilados son peligrosos.
You know your way. We used to cut school and play here.
Until the cartels moved in.
Exactly. The narcos changed everything.
Sniper, move!
Sniper's down! Bloody good shot, mate.
¡Hombres hacia el norte! ¡Que pueden estar lejos! Llegar en efecto un retrocederé al oeste y iniciaré la fecha.
Army's still trailing us.
We'll gain some ground.
You led us to a dead end, mate! We jump from here! Don't lose a weapon!
Good, hermanos? Affirm. Sunk?
Breathing.
Move downriver to the bridge! Use the rocks for cover! All stations, this is Victor 01. How copy?
No one. Do you say again? You
Radio's picking up something.
Sounds American. Here they come! Weapons free! Contact front!
Use the rocks for cover. Swim up. Keep moving. Keep pushing upriver. Army reinforcements rolling in.
Move up river! Go! The river's slowing us down, mate. It gets shallow up ahead. Swim up! Keep moving! Vehicles on the bridge! They're not ours! Fuck! It's the army! Get to cover! We have to hold here and get extraction.
We can't do shit against that armor.
This is Shadow 1, engaging the bridge north of your position. Danger close.
How does that?
Command the Great Shadow Company. They're with us. Shadow 1, Bravo 07. Good shots. Time for effects.
All stations, no enemy movement detected. You're clear. It's good to see you boys.
Likewise, mate. This way.
Graves, we've located a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that. Be advised, we got a possible hit on Hassan, 2 clicks north of your position.
That's cartel land. They have a compound there.
Load in. Let's roll. I'll drive.
You boys good to roll up Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker up, Graves.
Solid copy. We are pushing to the target directly. Shadow 1 out.